welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited about today's video because last week, November 9th? Yeah, November 9th, SKIMS and FENDI did a collab, which was amazing. Like, I really loved everything they made. They had anywhere from clothing to accessories to shapewear. They had everything, and everything was gorgeous. I was able to get a few items. So I got two of my packages yesterday and the day before, and then yesterday I got the last package. I was just waiting for all of them to get here so I can do an unboxing, and I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and unbox the first item. I don't know what's in what, so let's see. Let me go get a knife or something. Let's go ahead and open the first box. So this is how it looks. It says SKIMS right there, and each item comes packaged like this, and my receipts in there. Look how pretty. The paper feels nice and thick, not cheap paper. And this is the box, which I keep seeing, so I'm like, wow, it's so pretty. Like, it feels very nice. I love it. It says SKIMS, and then it has the F logo for FENDI. So these are actually the tights. I got the black tights in the size small. So let's go ahead and see. So it comes, you know, packaged in its own pack, or own package, I guess. Let's go ahead and take them out. Whoa. So this is how it looks. They look pretty big, and they're very stretchy. And it has the logo all over. I don't know if you can see it. Let me stretch it out for you. But it says, like, you know, FENDI SKIMS. I'll insert a picture, but most of you probably know what I'm talking about. They feel very nice. They feel soft. They feel a little more durable than like regular stockings, which I was hoping for, because I haven't gotten any designer stockings, so I'm not sure if the material is a bit more, you know, durable and thicker, so it won't, you know, rip as fast as regular stockings. But you know, you always gotta be careful with nails and things when you're putting them on, because you can easily just like make a hole. But they look very good. Let's see the bottom. The bottom also, it does, I would think, like some stockings have like a little end where it's like just black, so it's a little thicker for the toe area. This one doesn't, but like I said, it feels nice, so hopefully it doesn't rip. But that's for the stockings. All right, so this is my second box, and this one brings both. Okay, so it brings two items, and it's wrapped in one paper. Like I said, I love the paper, and the sticker is so cute too. I love how they made everything match, but you know, it's Kim, so I know she definitely put in some thought into this. I'm so excited about this. Okay, so item 2. This one is the medium Colorado. So this is the red, I think the red, what's it called? The bodysuit. Just the long sleeve bodysuit. Oh no, it's the pink bodysuit. Whoa, look at that. This is the tag. Very pretty. Wow. Let's take a look at this. This is so pretty. Oh my god. All right, so I love how it has the little two buttons on the bottom so you can easily go to the bathroom and stuff, because this is a must. I hate the bodysuits where you gotta take the whole thing off, so I'm glad that has that. The material is very nice. It's a thick material. It does not feel cheap. I feel like it's worth I think it was like $178 before taxes. It's worth its money. Wow, it feels amazing. It is a thong bodysuit, but I don't mind that. But look at this, it's so pretty. I love the long sleeve. You can wear it now for the fall and winter. Wow, this is so pretty. Look at the tag. Even the tag is pretty. I was scared about the sizing because I heard it runs small, but I just went and got the medium. I was gonna go ahead and get a large, but medium seems to be good, and it stretches, so I don't think there should be a problem. And I usually wear medium, so oh my god, look at how pretty that is. Wow, it feels so good too. All right, let's go ahead and open the next item. I think I got two. This is the red one, since I had said it before. Red. Wow, the red is very nice too. Look at that. It's so pretty. And let's open it. This one looks a little smaller than the other one from like this area, but it stretches, so hopefully it fits very nicely. And like I said, like it feels so nice. Like it's a very nice thick material. Like I said, also it's supposed to be stretchy since it's, you know, SKIMS. Yeah, very nice. Wow, this is so pretty. I can't wait to wear this. Okay, and then for our last item, it came in this bigger box, but it's just another bodysuit. So let's just go ahead and open it. And it comes like, and the box, like we know what it is. And then this one is the tan one in a medium. Isn't it so pretty? Look at that. It's gorgeous. Like, wow, this color is everything. It's a nice nude. Wow. Yeah, this is it. Look how pretty. I can't get over the feeling. It feels so nice. Like, oh my god. Can't wait to try them on. But yeah, that's the last item. It was an item, a total of 4 items. I'm just so excited. I'm so glad I got them. Especially these stockings. Like, these are gonna look so cute. I know this is not like the real FENDI ones, which I might get depending on how I feel about these. It's just, I'm just so like reckless. Like, I feel like if I get a pair of designer stockings, because they're anywhere from like $200 to like $300, and I'm like, if I get a pair and I rip them on the first wear, I'm gonna be super tight. But if you do own any designer stockings, please comment down below and let me know how durable they are, and maybe just maybe I might get a pair, because I do like the Gucci ones and I do like the FENDI ones too, because I was on their website after ordering this, and the FENDI ones were like $218, I believe, and they look very nice. So maybe I might. But that's all for this video. I hope everyone enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed my review. If you were able to get anything from FENDI SKIMS last week, comment down below. Let me know what you got. I want to know who got the clothes, because they had the nice pair of joggers, which I'll insert right here with the matching sweater, and I was in love, but I didn't notice till after. And then, you know, either or, I would have just gotten one of them, like the pants or the sweater, because the pants were like 800 and then the top was, I think, around the same. And then it had a beautiful dress which was like 1,000 something. If you were able to get your hands on that, please comment down below and let me know everything, because that dress was amazing. But that's all for this video. I'll see everyone in my next video, and like I said, I hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe and comment down below and like this video, and I'll see everyone in my next video.